Hi children, now let's see division of a decimal number by a whole number. In a previous video we learned how to divide a decimal number by powers of 10. Now we are going to divide a decimal number by a whole number. Okay, now here is an example. 68.5 is divided by 5. Okay. Now in long division method I will teach you, then I will teach you cancellation method also. Now let us begin with first digit. Now after decimal point I split up this in commas. So this 6 alone. 1, 5 is 5. Remainder is 1. Then I should bring down 8. That's how they have brought it here. Now how many times will I get 18 in fifth table? It's not possible to get 18, but a number less than 18 I can get. So 3 5s are 15. Remainder 3. Now when we cross over this decimal point, place the decimal point in quotient also. That is very important, my dear children. This makes the difference of division in decimals. Okay, don't forget to place this decimal point. Then I have to bring down this 5 as I have shown it here. Okay. How many times 35? 7 5s are 35. So what will be my quotient now? 13.7 will be my answer. Is it clear? When I divide 68.5 by 5, I get 13.7. Now here they have given 6.85. See, I will explain you. 6.85 divided by 0.5. I can have it as 0.5. Is it clear, my dear children? If I have decimal number in the denominator, I have to convert it into a whole number. This number has to be shifted towards right. So what should I do now? To shift towards right, I should multiply by 110. If I multiply by 10 in denominator, I should do the same in numerator also. So I get 68.5 and by 5. Is it clear, my dear children? So we have learned to do division of a decimal number by a decimal number also. Only difference is I have to convert this denominator to a whole number by shifting the decimal point towards right. Okay, to shift it towards right, I have to multiply by as many tens as the decimal places are here. Is it clear? Okay, now one more example for you. Now here I have 2.35 divided by 5. It's again a whole number only, not a decimal number. So now see here, is 2 divisible by 5? No. So I will start with 0. Okay. Point as it is. Whenever I cross over decimal number in the dividend, you should place the point in the quotient. Okay. Now look at these two numbers together. I have 23. How many times? 4 5s are 20. So what is the remainder? 3. Then I have to bring down 5. Okay, as I have shown it here. Now how many times 35 in 5 table? 7 times. 7 5s are 35. What is the difference between the previous problem and here? There my first digit was divisible by this divisor. 5 is the divisor here. But here this 2 is smaller than 5 and it is not divisible by 5. It cannot happen. This is small. So I combined the next number along with this number. While combining, I am crossing over this decimal point. So I place the decimal point first and then I clubbed them. Is it clear, my dear children, how to do decimal division? Okay. Now I am going to teach you how to divide by cancellation method. This is elementary method. When you have bigger numbers and you find it difficult to cancel, at that time you can go in for this long division method. If you come across a situation where the divisor is very small number like this 5, 4, 3, 12, very small number which is easier to cancel, you can go in for cancellation method. Okay children, you should practice both. The smartest way is you should practice more in cancellation because it is very simple and it will not occupy much place and it will be easy for you to go in for higher classes. Okay, practice long division as well as cancellation method. Okay, now here is an example. Fine, this is first sum in your book and 3.96 divided by 4 is my question. And I write it in my own way of writing 3.96 divided by 4. Now I am going to cancel it. How to cancel it? This 4 and this. In 2 table I am going to cancel. 2 2s are 4. So if I come to 3, no, it's divisible by 2. 1 time 1 2 is 2. Remainder I have 1. I place it here. 19. It becomes 19. So I get 9 2s are 18. Before writing 9 2s are 18, I am crossing over this decimal point. So place the decimal point here. Okay, 18. Again carry 1. 8 2s are 16. So I got 1.98. Again I have 2 here. 1 2 is 2. Now is 1 divisible by 2, my dear children? No, it is not divisible by 2. So what should I put here? 0. Then I have to club the next number together. 19. I am crossing the decimal point. So I placed a decimal point here. Now 19 in 2 table. How many times? 9 2s are 18. Again remainder 1. Again 18. 9 2s are 18. So what is my answer? 0.99. Is my answer right? You can check it also, my dear children. How to check? Reverse process. I divided. So what is the reverse of division? Multiplication. So multiply by 0.99 by 4. What is the first rule? Forget the decimal point. I forgot the decimal point and I am multiplying. 9 4s are 36. 3. 9 4s are 36, 37, 38, 39, 39. Now where to place the decimal point? I have only 2 decimal places. So 3.96. See, I got the same answer. Is it clear, my dear children? So what is our answer now? 0.99. So you can opt for cancellation method as well as long division method. Try to practice both the methods. Okay, if you do one problem in long division method, second problem you do it in cancellation method. Likewise, you practice both the methods. Okay, now let's look at one more example for the same cancellation. 651.2 divided by 4. Again the same 4. Now shall I go in for the fourth table directly? Can I? If you are confident over fourth table, we can surely go. So let me go with fourth table directly. 1 4 is 4. So here 6 is divisible by 4. 1 4 is 4. Reminder, I have 2. 25. How many times 25? We will not get 25, but I will get 24. How many times? 6 times. Very good. Reminder is 1. Now it becomes 11. So 1 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8. 3 4s are 12. So I should start with 2 4s are 8. Reminder 3. Now this remainder is taken over with the next number, but I am crossing the decimal point. So place the decimal point. Okay, now 32. 8 4s are 32. So what is my answer? 162.8 is my answer. Is it clear, my dear children? You can directly cancel if you are confident over that table. It is not necessary always to go with 2. Okay, but it will feel comfortable with 2. You can start with 2. Okay, children. Now let us see division of a decimal number by a decimal number. In previous video itself I explained you, and let us work out few more problems. Okay, 37.8 divided by 1.4. And how many decimal places are there in the denominator? Only 1 decimal places. I have to shift it towards right. So I am multiplying by 10 in the denominator. To maintain the stability, to maintain the value, I am multiplying in the numerator also. So I wrote 10 by 10. So what will happen to this decimal point? It will get shifted towards right. So I got 378 divided by 14. Again, shall we go in for cancellation or long division? Okay, I prefer cancellation, my dear children. Okay, so I am going to multiply by 2 table. 7 2s are 14. 1 2 is 2. Reminder, 8 2s are 16. Carry 1. 9 2s are 18. Now I am going to directly cancel with 7 table. 1 7 is 7. 2 7s are 14. Remainder 4. So I will write 4 along with 9. I get 49. So 7 7s are 49. So what is the answer? 27. Though I divided two decimal number, my answer is a whole number. Is it clear, my dear children? And you need not get confused how I got this 27. You will get this. It means this 37.8 is a very big number. I am dividing into 1.4. 1 centimeter and 0.4. How many divisions will I get in 37.8 centimeter long line? I will get 27 parts. Is it clear? This is the simple logic behind division. If 37.8 centimeter long strip is divided into 1.4 centimeter each, I will get 27 segments. Okay, children. Now one more example. 2.73 divided by 1.3. Here I do have the same. Here be careful while you cancel it. 113 is 13. Reminder, sorry, 2 13s are 26. You will get 2 13s are 26. Remainder 1, you will get 1 13 is 13. So you got 2.1. Okay, children. Now let us see one more example. I have taken so many examples so that you will get confident in doing decimal division. Okay, here how many decimal places I have? 2 decimal places. I have 2 decimal places. So I multiplied by 100 both in numerator and denominator. While multiplying the numerator by 100, I am shifting this decimal point to 2 places, my dear children. So be careful while you do with this multiplication, both in numerator and denominator. You may forget to do the multiplication in numerator. You will just write 15 and 765. It will be wrong. Be careful. So you will get 7650 divided by 15. So if I cancel, I will get 510. You have to do the cancellation or long division. Okay, now here is a day-to-day life problem. A vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 km in 2.4 liters of petrol. To travel 43.2 km, nearly it's up to Trichy. Nearly to Trichy, not fully, but 3/4 of Trichy traveling time. Sorry, distance. It takes 2.4 liters of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? So what should I do now? I should multiply. They have given for many and asking for 1 liter. So I have to divide. So what should I do? How to divide 43.2 divided by 2.4? Again, only one decimal point. So I am multiplying and divide by 10. Okay, this you have to choose depending upon the decimal places in the denominator. Then you have to cancel it in 2 table or directly going for long division method. It's your choice. Okay, but I prefer cancellation only, my dear children. Try to practice cancellation as much as possible. Okay, and today it's time to wind off the session. In exercise 2.7, you have to do 4 subdivisions in all these 5 problems. In each and every problem, you have to do 4 problems alone. Okay, this dividing by 10, 100 and thousands are very simple thing. You can directly write the answer. Only when you come for division by a whole number and dividing by a decimal number, there alone you will have cancellation steps. So be careful while you do cancellation or go in for long division method. Practice both the method in your classwork note. You have to do 4 subdivisions in classwork note, and if you feel practicing more problems, you are most welcome. You can do it in your rough note and practice more. Okay, the more you practice, you will get more confident in doing maths and you will start enjoying doing maths. Okay, children, if you have any doubts and queries, you can call me. Thank you, children. Take care, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.